Hello, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning, very good morning. So, how are you all? Are you fine?
Yes, sir. It's very cold here.
Huh? Where are you?
In Mumbai only, but it's colder than usual. Not as cold as where you all are, but it's still colder than what we have.
Now you will understand how I'm feeling. I didn't like the winters so much because I personally feel so much cold. Okay. So, and you are in Mumbai and you are saying it's cold. So,
But
you
this
can
is still the
understand.
best weather, so I'm not complaining. It's the best weather you'll get here.
Oh my God. What's the temperature there?
I don't know. I have to check. It must be 20 something. I don't
20 is cold.
Yeah, according
20
to
is cold.
us. Compared to the usual 33, 35.
Here we have 10 degree, 9 degree, 7 degree as in winters. Then, hmm, Abigail, very bad Abigail. Dr. Abigail, very bad.
I'm not Dr. Abigail, I'm only Abigail.
So what's your plan for what you want to do? You want to do medicine?
I don't know. I wanted to when I was small, but because I love to play doctor game, but now no, it's so much work to be a doctor. I want to enjoy my life.
So what do you want? Like for
I
enjoying
don't
your
know.
life? Okay, okay.
Sir, I don't
No,
even want
you
to go to college. Like,
you want to skip college and you want to
just
become something. You know,
no, I don't want
uh,
to go to the future. Like,
yeah.
no, I'm saying I don't want to go to the future only. We just stay here.
No, but you will choose stream, na, in 11th class. So what stream you will choose?
I think probably science and max because I like science and max. So yeah.
Okay, okay. So, you know, in basically in North, so my father wants to be doctor, but I love science math. Okay. So he pressurized me. And my main subject, core subject is science maths only. He pressurized me. He said, no, you have to do science bio. Okay, if you will fail in science math, I'll not help you. But if you fail in science bio, I will definitely help you so that you become a chemist or some pharmacy you can do. So I said, okay, then secure option I choose. So I choose 11, 12. And my age was not applicable. Like for the NEET exam, which is for the like college exams, no? NEET college exam. For that, there is a minimum age of 17. My age was 16. So I dropped that year. And then um, for that year, I didn't did. And then that year only, 2018, my father died because of cancer. Okay, so we are under the debt and that. But then even I don't want to do it. And that cancer period I saw, like I am very afraid of blood and the skin inside of it. And okay, so that thing, when I saw of my father, I said I'll never go for the doc medicine. So I did BSc, and it's a true that we have 3 year graduation course. And for that 3 year graduation course, I only went for 3 months. I only went for 3 months, including the exam session. Means if I'm going to give exams, that is also included in 3 months. And for the whole year, I only started the last 7 days to study. Like the whole year course is coming, but I started last year. So first year is for the grace. Because of COVID, there was no exam. We directly go to the second year. Okay. Second year, third year, I started the learning course in the last 7 days. Okay. And I passed by 72%. So it's all grace. So you can come to the north, and then we can do some situation like that. Only for the 3 years, you can go to for 3 months, and you can be passed. So like that, it can happen. Like you want to enjoy your life, na? That's why. Okay. So now back to trigonometry. Now today we will learn about pre-primary things of trigonometry. So yeah. So in trigonometric, there are some trigonometric functions are there. There are some trigonometric functions are there. Okay, that we have to remember. Okay, trigonometric functions are fixed function that we should know. Okay, like for example, sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Okay, these are the some trigonometric function that we should know. These are the full form of that. We will understand in a short form. So this is also called as sine theta, not sin theta. Nobody will say as sin theta. Maths doesn't did any sin. Okay, so it's not sin theta, it's sine theta. Okay, then it is cos theta, it is tan theta, this is cot theta, this is sec theta, and this is cosec theta. So there are some, now we basically use this blue one only. This black one we never use. Like it's a full form of the blue one. Okay, so sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, that we use. Okay, understood. Now, for example, there is a triangle I will make for you. Now, this is A, B, and C. And this is theta. So, if this is theta, then what is perpendicular, what is base, and what is hypotenuse? Anybody can tell me? According to this, what is base, what is perpendicular, and what is hypotenuse? Tell me, anybody?
Sir, AB is perpendicular.
Yes, AB is perpendicular. I'm writing as P. And
BC is base and
is base.
AC is height.
So AC is hypotenuse. Okay, so I want to ask from Joshua, how you said that AB is a perpendicular?
Because the angle is pointing towards AB.
Yeah, so the like opposite side of the angle, respective angle is basically called as perpendicular. That we know. Okay, everyone understood? Yes or no? Now this is the important thing that we should know. Okay, which is P by H means whenever sine theta is there, we have to write as P by H. Okay, wherever sine theta is there, we have to write P by H. Now, what is P? P is AB and H is AC. That we should learn. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Same. Cos theta can be written as B by H. Cos theta can be written as B by H. Tan theta can be written as P by B. Cot theta can be written as B by P. Sec theta can be written as H by B, and cosec theta can be written as H by P. This red thing we have to do rectification. Okay. This red thing we have to do rectification. Rest it will be easy. Rest it will be easy. Okay. Understood, guys? So now I will ask from everyone. Okay. Now, according to this triangle, what is sine theta? According to this triangle, what is sine theta?
AB by AC.
Yes. AB by AC. Abigail, according to this triangle, what is cos theta?
BC by AC.
Yeah, Jahoan, what is tan theta?
AB by BC.
Cot theta, Joshua?
BC by AB.
What is sec theta, Abigail?
So theta, it is AC by BC.
Yeah, and the last one I will give. It's AC by AB. Okay, understood, everyone? Okay, so this is how this is there. Now, there is some relation that we should know. So I'm giving that thing in this chart only. See, if you will see, check that sine theta and cosec theta has some relation. Can you find it out? What's the relation? Can you tell me what's the relation in sine theta and cosec theta? What's the relation? Anybody?
Sine theta is 1 by cosec theta.
Yes, sine theta is 1 by cosec theta. Why? Because if you will do the reciprocal of this, it will become h by p. Joshua? If you will do the reciprocal of p by h, it become h by p, na? So it means that sine theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta, or cosec theta can be also written as 1 upon sine theta. Did you understand, guys? Yes. In the same way, there is a relation between cos theta and sec theta. Can you tell me? Can you tell me what? Anybody? Joshua? What's the relation between cos theta and sec theta?
So it's B by H, and in sec theta it's H by B. So it's like opposite, reciprocal.
Yeah, so it means that cos theta can be written as 1 upon sec theta. Understood? In the same way, Jehovan, what is the difference change like tan theta and cot theta? What's the relation between?
Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta.
Yeah, so it means that cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta, or vice versa, like ulta bhi likh sakte ho, okay? One more relation. Abigail, what what is different? What is the relation between sine theta and cos theta with tan theta? Sine theta and cos theta with tan theta.
Sine theta plus cos theta equals tan theta.
Sine theta,
Plus cos theta equals tan theta.
how you can say that? If you will do plus part, na, so like if I will do according to your thing, like sine theta plus cos theta is equals to sine theta can be written as p by h, cos theta can be written as b by h. So it will become p plus b by h. Is it this thing is equals to tan theta?
No. I remember now. Sine theta divided by cos theta equals tan theta.
Yes. Okay. So like it will solve this part. Yes. Anybody saying something? Nobody? So sine theta upon cos theta. Sine theta can be written as p by h. Cos theta can be written as b by h. H and h will cut, remaining behind p by b, which is equals to tan theta. So it means that sine theta upon cos theta can be written as tan theta. In the same way, the reciprocal of this, like cos theta upon sine theta can be written as cot theta. Can you explain why, Jehovan, why I wrote this formula? Anybody? Jehovan, why is this formula correct?
Yes.
Okay, how? Means theta is b by
If we
p. B by p is basically cot theta. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now we'll do one more thing. We'll do one more thing. Okay, guys. Now this is like this thing you will do. This thing you will do. For example, right now we are seeing from this thing from C. But now instead of using theta, if we will see from A, naming as alpha, naming as alpha. For example, right now we are using theta, which is saying that theta is the respective angle. But now if I will call you to find sine alpha, cos alpha, tan alpha, cot alpha, sec alpha, and cosec alpha. Can you find it out and tell it to me right now? Tell me, what is sine alpha, Joshua? Now, according to the alpha angle, what is perpendicular?
Alpha angle it will be BC, right?
Yeah, perpendicular is BC. Yes. And then what is base? AB. And what is hypotenuse? It will be same as AC. Now you have to write all this thing. Can you tell me one by one, everybody, what is sine alpha? Tell me, Abigail, what is sine alpha?
BC by AC.
BC by AC. Yes. AC. Next, what is cos alpha? Everybody, Joshua.
Um, AB by AC.
Yes. Next, tan alpha, Jehovan.
BC by AB.
Next, cot alpha, Hannah.
AB by AC.
AB by?
BC.
Yes. Sec alpha, who will say Hardik? Okay, it's me only. So it will be AB by, no, AC by AB, sorry. AC by AB. Now next one is, it become AC by BC. Okay. Now from this observation, we got that like this sine alpha is equals to BC by AC and cos theta is equals to BC by AC. So it means that they both are equal. Did you understand? Yes or no? Did you understand? So it means that this is equals to this and this is equals to this. In the same way, this is equals to this and this is equals to this. In the same way, this is equals to this and this is equals to this. Understood what I'm trying to say? So from this observation, what we got? From this observation, we got that sine alpha is equals to cos theta. Okay? Cos theta is equals to, no, cos alpha is equals to sine theta. Okay? And then tan alpha is equals to cot theta. Cot alpha is equals to tan theta. Sec alpha is equals to cosec theta. And sec theta is equals to cosec alpha. Okay. Understood? Now quickly write it down. Quickly write it down. Now in this page, this is basically, I guess, 50, 60% of trigonometry we completed. This page only. Done? Everyone done? Shall I do this?
Few seconds, sir.
Okay, okay. Better. Done? Now the red part, like P by H, B by H, P by B, this thing you have to do rectification. In this, basically, there are some things that how to use, like Pakistan, something we have to do. Okay, but that thing you have do it. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now I will erase this. This is so much mehnat, na. I don't want to erase this. Okay. So what was I'm trying to say? Uh, let me take screenshot. Okay. So now we will do some questions. Okay. Now in this you have to make the diagram and you have to solve it. Understood? You have to make that diagram. So I allow you to annotate and I will ask Abigail, can you draw this diagram?
Yeah, sir.
And Hannah and Jehovah, you can do it. And Joshua also.
Should I name the points also?
Yeah, that I will try.
Okay.
Like basically because it's right angle at B. So it means that this is will be B.
Yeah.
Now if I will write the value that AB is equals to 9 centimeter, BC is equals to 40 centimeter, and AC is equals to 41 centimeter. Now can you solve it? We have to find the value of cos C. Cos C means we are seeing from this side. Okay. Cot C means from this side only. Tan A is from this side. So the values might be changed. Okay. Joshua, Abigail, Jehovan, Hannah, everyone understood? And cosec A means from this side. So perpendicular and base, you have to remember that. Can you do it? Joshua, quickly solve it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly solve it. Any problem, Joshua?
Also the theta.
Theta, that's what I'm saying. There is no theta here. Here is the angle perspective is there. So this C is working as theta. This A is working as alpha.
So theta will be AB, right? Perpendicular.
Yeah, if C you are taking as theta, then AB is the perpendicular. But if you're taking A as a alpha, then BC is the perpendicular. That you have to remember.
Okay.
You can solve it. And I need step by step. Very important. Done, Joshua? You got it?
No, sir. I'm doing.
What happened? Tell me what happened.
No,
Any
I'm
problem?
doing it, sir.
I'll quickly do it. I'm giving you 2 more minutes. Okay, done. Abigail, you got it, or you have some doubt?
I got it, sir. I'm just doing a division.
Joshua got it.
No, sir, I didn't get it.
Okay,
I didn't.
Joshua. So according to C, what is perpendicular?
AB.
That is good. So AB, which is equals to 9, is equals to P. And the base is 10. You know that BC is equals to 40, which is equals to base. And AC is equals to 4, which is hypotenuse. Now they ask you for the cos C. Now what is the formula for the cos?
I didn't memorize it, sir. I didn't. Wait, let me
Check it from that table. What is the formula for the cos?
BC by AC.
No.
Base by
Base by hypotenuse.
height.
What is base? Base is 40 and hypotenuse 41. So this is the answer. It's 40 by 41. Understood? No.
I didn't read the other part of question. I was doing the previous question, like the same question, using the Pythagorean formula.
Now, in this, all the sides are given, then where you will use Pythagoras formula? In this, all three sides are given. If two sides is given and third side you have to find, then we will use Pythagoras formula. Na? In this, why will use Pythagoras formula?
Okay.
Understood? In this,
So,
simply, yeah.
so we can only use Pythagorean formula if there's only two
Yeah, if
sides.
are given one side we have to find, then we have to use Pythagoras formula. In this, why we will use Pythagoras formula? All the sides are given. We simply have to put the cot C, tan A and that formula perpendicular upon base, and like according to 10 A, this is perpendicular, so 40 by 9.
So we have to find cot C, tan A, and cosec C, like this.
Yes, this is the formula. But this is A. A first become BC, not that you have to remember.
Okay. Because A will be alpha.
And the alpha type. Now the next question which I will give now, in that question you have to find the third side by the Pythagoras formula, and then you have to solve it. Understood?
So then we have to also use cosec.
Yeah. So now, for example, this is a triangle PQR, right angle at Q. So I will make triangle PQR. Q, this is P and this is R. And PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. QR is equals to 12 centimeter. And PR we have to find because we don't know. Now they ask for the sine R, cos R, and tan R. So we have to just put, first we have to find the hypotenuse with the help of Pythagoras formula, and then we have to use that formula. Like what is sine R is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so we have to use it. Can we do it by now?
And so the theta will be R.
Sorry.
The theta, is it R?
For example, if it is R, so we will make theta. theta is basically r in this case, no? Because
Yeah.
if you from r, if you're seeing from theta, बात तो एक ही हुआ ना? Did you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it. Jehovans, Abigail, did you understand? No.
Understood, sir.
Yeah, so you are now pre-primary passed. Okay, pre-primary of this trigonometry is over. Now tomorrow we'll go to the primary session.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the previous question, we got 40 by 41. Can we just leave it like that, or we need to simplify it?
If it can be simplified, you can simplify it. Don't put it in decimal, but simplification to a lowest term is very important. So if it can be done, then you can do it. But 40 by 41, what is the table which is coming on both the tables, both the what numbers 40, 41?
I got 0.94.
That is called as a decimal. No decimal.
Okay.
Lowest term is basically like 20 by 5 is then you can simplify it as 5 by 1.
Okay, sir.
Then everyone just turn off their camera. Why? Is it coincident or is it a something like prank which you are doing? Then Abigail, you got this answer?
No, sir, I didn't do this question. I was still solving this old question.
Okay, then do this now. In this, we don't have Pythagoras. I mean, we don't have hypotenuse. So by the help of Pythagoras formula, we have to find first hypotenuse and then we have to apply the formula. Understood? No.
Got it, sir.
Okay, quickly do it.
Done, sir.
Oh, okay, done. Okay, so we will end this maths class. Okay, you guys like have homework till exercise 2.22.2. Like 22.2, we have did all this thing. Okay, understood? Then tomorrow we'll start the page number, like till page number 523 we have done. Then we will start page number uh, uh, 524. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Then bye Abigail, bye Hannah, and then we have 4 minutes break. Then we will start the science class. Till then, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, guys, come back. Okay, guys, come back, come back, come back. So yeah, yesterday, everyone turn on the camera, please, 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 please. Okay, okay, no problem. Joshua, please turn on your camera, please. So yeah, yesterday we were learning the name of the how to do the naming of the carbon compound. Yes, yesterday we learned that. For example, we will do one more question. Yeah. So now, what is the first step, Jahan? Jahan will help me throughout this question. Yes, Jahan. What is the first step?
Find the longest carbon chain.
Yeah. So what is the longest carbon chain here?
The one with the 6 carbons.
Yes, one with the 6 carbon. Now this is the longest carbon chain. The second step is, what is second step?
Find the amount of carbons that are not in the longest carbon chain.
Means you have to numbering it. Start to and end to start. Yes. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the second number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which number you will choose?
Five.
No, I told you the lowest carbon number. You have to choose the lowest carbon number. What is the lowest number?
2.
2. We will use 2. So we will erase this red line. Understood, Joshua? Yes or no? Joshua didn't say anything?
Understood.
Okay. Now, so on 2 group, there is a one carbon which is outside the chain. Now that carbon which is outside the chain is also called as anybody?
Alkyne? Is it alkyne?
Alkyl group. Now only one carbon is there which is outside the chain. Then what it is called?
Methyl.
Yeah, one carbon stands for meth, and because it's an alkyl group, so we will use YL, so it become methyl. Understood? So on 2 methyl group is there. So 2 methyl, and the longest carbon chain is hex, because 6 carbon is there, na? 6 carbon stands for hex, and all are single bond. Then single bond we use alkane, ANE, so it become hexane. The name of this is 2 methyl hexane. Did you understand? No.
So what is the hex?
Hex stands for 6 carbon. I told you, na. For example, yeah, here. You can see that if 6 number of carbon is there, if number of carbon atom is 6, then it is called as hex. So hex stands for the longest carbon chain has 6 carbon. That's the hex. And on a single bond called as ane. So hexane.
Okay.
I understood, everyone? Jahoan, we'll give you one more question. Now I will give you 2 minutes also to solve it. Did you understand, guys? Guys. Now quickly solve it and tell me the answer of this. Quickly. Quickly.
Okay. Sir, is what's that?
Sorry,
This one also a carbon chain?
which one?
The one I just marked there, is that also carbon chain?
The one who's outside the chain.
So those 3 down there and then go like that. Is that one chain?
carbon chain. Everything is CCCC is a carbon chain.
This one. This is the chain.
Yeah, it's also chain. Yep,
So this is the longest chain as well.
the longest chain. Very good. Good determination. No, not determination. Good observation. Now, find the answer and tell it to me. Sean, you saw the previous video? No. No.
Is it 3-methylheptane?
What is 3?
Methylheptane.
Correct. 3-methyl heptane. Good. Joshua, did you get it? How it become? No?
Is it because it's one? So one will be methyl, right?
First, you
And-
tell me what is the longest carbon chain. In this, draw it. Draw
Yeah,
it.
I drew it. Can I draw it in the board?
Oh, draw it. Yeah, draw it. Okay. So now next step is
You have to number it.
number it. No. Numbering won't start from here, Joshua. That's the problem, na? Numbering will start whatever the longest carbon chain is. This is your longest carbon chain, na? So you can start numbering from this end, and then other one this end. So it's gonna be like this, like 1. Okay, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the second one we will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One carbon is left. 5, 5, 6, and 7. Understood? No.
Okay.
Now we will use
Now we have to find one carbon, which will be equal to meth.
but we have to choose either blue numbering or red because you need lowest carbon. Like that, each group should be at lowest carbon. So which line you will
Also the top line.
topping with blue line. We have to erase the red line. So I will erase the. Understood? Now tell me.
Now one carbon is equals to meth,
Yeah.
and then the 7 carbon I forgot the name.
Yeah.
Hept.
So what's the name?
So it's C7, right?
Yes, C7 is there. Yes. What's the name of this chain? Yeah, final name I want.
Methyl C1 and
What place? Methyl at what place?
methyl is here, right?
Yeah, methyl is there at what place? 3. So it will be
Yeah.
3 methyl. And what is longest carbon chain?
Um, I don't know, sir.
What is the longest carbon chain? Like longest carbon chain is how many numbers?
7. So it'll be hep.
Have and then plus single bond. All are single bond.
Yeah.
So it will become A and E. I will repeat. If all are single bond, then we have to use prefix as A and E, which is denoting as alkane. If one has double bond, then we will not use alkane, we will use alkene, ENE. And if one has triple bond, then we will not use alkene or alkane, we will use alkyne, which is YNE. So we have to use this prefix for solving that. No, suffix, sorry. You understand?
Because it was single bond.
Yeah,
So,
all single bond is there, so we will use ANE. If one double is there, we will use ANE. If one triple bond is there, we will use YNE.
okay.
Okay? So now we will do one more question. Are you getting it, Jehovan, Joshuron? Okay. Yeah. So now this is the question. Now everyone do it. Jehovan, Joshuron is traveling, I'm sorry. Joshua, Jehovan, do it quickly. Yes, Jehovan. So first we have to find the longest carbon chain. Okay, guys? If we will find the longest carbon chain, then only we can do it. Otherwise, we'll not able to do it. So, Jehovan, can you mark the longest carbon chain? Okay, we'll give try to Joshua. Joshua, mark the longest carbon chain, beta. What is the longest carbon chain? Yes, Joshua, mark it. Yes, you are doing correct. Quickly do it. No, Joshua, this can't you cannot do this. Ask me why. Ask me why. I told you the carbon will always go in a forward direction. Okay. So either you can do this like this. It always go in one direction. It won't go like this and like this and then like this, then like this. No, it won't go like that. Understood? It will only go in forward direction. So you have to choose that carbon chain which is always going forward direction and it is longest also.
Okay. But then can I go down? Like forward, then I'll go down.
Yeah, do it quickly. Do it. Tell me how you are thinking. I want to see. Okay. So how many carbons are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. So
Uh,
carbon chain.
I
Yes.
can I go more forward, then I can go down.
You can do that thing also. You can try it. Try it. I want you to try it.
No, I can't.
You can't do this. You can't do this because you are moving in straight direction, na. So that you can't go like this. No, it should be straight direction. Then this is will be the longest carbon chain. Okay. So for example, you are choosing this. Uh, Jahoan, it's not correct. Jahoan, you did something wrong. Okay, this is the longest carbon chain. Correct. This is the longest carbon chain. Okay.
So both will be same, right? The straight and like this also.
There is no difference. If you got this is the longest carbon chain, this is also longest carbon chain, or you can make this also as longest carbon chain.
So anything is okay.
Everything is okay because both have same number, na? So there is no problem. Okay, if you will count this like this also, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you will count this also, you will also get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything, you no problem.
Okay.
Now, numbering part. So yes, the numbering part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here, like with the red marker, I am getting the two groups at 4 and at 5. Yes, no, at 4 only. And with the blue marker, I am getting two groups, which is this one and this one, like which are the which are not included in the carbon chain at 3 carbon number. So obviously, I will not choose the red marker one because it's a bigger number. So I will delete that thing. Understood, Joshua? Jahoan? Yes,
So then
Jahoan? Yeah,
carbon number 6 is 6.
yeah. Carbon number is 6, and the group which is are there on 3 number. Understood? Now, Jahoan, what mistake you did? Okay, the mistake is basically you don't know that rule. Okay, now listen, Jahoan. This carbon and this carbon are in one group. Yes, like carbon carbon, they are bound together. So it means that they are the excluded one. Excluded one, it is called as alkyl group. But two carbon is there. Two carbon is there. So two carbon excluded group will become what? Say it. Yeah, ethyl. So you have to write like this: two ethyl. Understood, Joshua? This carbon are joined together. That's why we are counting as two carbon number. Understood? Yes, Jahoan.
But what about that last carbon?
Sorry.
Two excluded in one group, but there's one more excluded outside that group.
So we will write as methyl. We will write like this: two ethyl, comma, two methyl, like this. So this is saying that the on no no not two three sorry. This is saying that on 3 number there is a group called as ethyl. On 3 number there is a group called as methyl. So 3 ethyl, 3 methyl. Understood? Yes or no? Hmm? And what is the number 6 is called as hex, and all a single bond it is called as hexane. So the name is 3 ethyl 3 methyl hexane. Understood? Joshua, be great.
Understood, sir.
And why Jehovan wrote propane?
I got him confused, sir.
Yeah, so propyl I can understand, but you wrote propane also. Why propane? Like 6 carbon is not prop, no? 3 carbon is prop. Understood, guys? No, Joshua the Great.
Understood, sir.
Understood? Okay, we'll tell you one more question. Solve this. Can you see this? Is it visible to you? Is it clear for you?
Is it 3-methyl, 4-methyl, 5-methyl? What's that? Heptane.
Yeah, it's correct. But still, you don't know the rule. That's why it's basically instead of methyl, methyl, methyl again and again, you can write 3, comma 4, comma 5. Try methyl. Try methyl means 3 times methyl is coming now. So you can write that. Understood? No. For example, this is the longest carbon chain. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then I will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Then on 3 number is there, 4 number is there, and 5 number is there. And if I will count from this side, so from this side also you can check the same 3, 4, 5 is coming. So you can choose any numbering in this case. Okay. Understood, Joshua? Like from the blue marker also I'm getting 3, 4, 5. And from the red marker also I'm getting 3, 4, 5. So you can choose any number. So I'm choosing the blue one because blue is my favorite number. Uh-huh. Understood, Joshua? The great. Okay.
So we can
Now,
choose anything because it's
and
equal.
it's equal, it's same. Yeah. So now in the first, like you can get that it's 3, comma 4, comma 5. All are methyl group is there. So one methyl is only methyl. Two methyl is dimethyl. Di means two. Okay. If two methyl group is there, then it is called as dimethyl. 3, 4 tri. So it becomes trimethyl. So 3, comma 4, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5 trimethyl and heptane. Understood? Yes or no? Guys, did you understand? Joshua the Great?
Sure. So it's because tri is because there's 3 carbons.
3 outer carbons are there. And they are not one after one. They are different places. If they are one after one, then it will become propyl. Understood? Because C, C, C are on one after one. Na? Like in the previous case, this case, we have this C and this C are bonded. So they become one, making as ethyl. Because two carbon is there. Understood, Jahoan? No, you didn't understand. Jahoan, why did you not understand anything? Understood? Okay.
And
Okay, we'll do last question then. Now I want you to write the answer in the chat box, and you have to send me personally so that I can check where you are doing mistake. Quickly do it. I'm coming to take vitamin D, means food. क्या क्या किया ये इतना गंदा क्यों yes did you send me your phone Jasharon, after the class, if you have time, just go and watch the videos. Then you will understand the naming part again, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Johan, you got the answer? Yeah, send it me personally, na?
I sent to you.
Okay, you send me in this call. Okay, you send me. Okay. I guess it's not correct. Little mistake is there. Little mistake is there. Check it again. Joshua, you got it?
I'm doing it, sir. So 3 will be propane, right?
3 will propane, yes.
Okay.
Quickly. Johan, check it. What mistake you did? Joshua the Great? No.
I didn't get it, sir.
You didn't get it. So first of all, Joshua, tell me the longest carbon chain quickly. Make it.
Can I draw it?
Yes, please. It's your platform. Yeah. Now it's the longest carbon chain. So number 8, quickly number 8. And the other side wala also. दूसरा wala bhi. No, 1. Start from 1.
So it's the same.
Bimethyl. Oh. Dimethyl. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Now you got the longest carbon chain. You got the numbering also. Now what will you do? So if you'll check with the blue one, other the these are at 2 place, and from the this one also 2 place. So you can choose any number. So you choose this one. Okay. Now what will you do?
Now I got propane, right? Because it's 3.
But before propane, you have to write the group, other carbon which is not included in that carbon chain. So what that number? What is called?
So that'll be at right?
Yeah. So what is this called? Carbon called?
Single bonded. So no,
This carbon called. What is this carbon called? This is not included in the carbon chain, na? So what is this carbon called?
ethane,
Only one carbon is there.
methane.
Methyl. Because not included, no? Methyl.
Oh
This is
yeah,
and this is also.
methyl.
So they both are coming on 2. So it will become 2, 2. Di means 2. 2 times it's coming. Di, methyl, and the 3 is there, so propane. 2, 2 dimethyl propane. Did you understand? No.
Propane is the 3 carbons, right?
Yeah, 3 carbon is prop and all are single bonded in propane.
Okay.
Johan, did you understand what mistake you wrote? Try.
Sorry, sir.
Are you try? the trimethyl like for that?
Sorry, sir, my internet is having a problem. I didn't hear what last said.
I said before this answer you wrote trimethyl. TRI trimethyl. Why? There is only is there na?
I was doing it in my mind without writing, doing it on paper. So
Uh,
that mistake like that. So I did it on paper, then I got the type pi.
okay.
So is pi also okay, or I have to write type?
You don't have to write by. By DI. I is the by is not di. DI. You have to write dimethyl.
Sorry, sir.
I'm saying that you wrote by. I is wrong. Di is correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I is wrong. Di is correct. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata bye bye. Sayonara.